Students, today I am here with lesson 8 Birds of Science. We see birds of different colors and sizes around us. All birds have one beak, two eyes, two wings, and two legs. Their bodies are covered with feathers of different colors. Feathers. Birds are the only creature on the earth whose bodies are covered with feathers. Birds have feathers of different colors and sizes. They have three types of feathers: body feather, down feather, flight feather. Body feather covers a bird's body. Down feathers are small, soft, and fluffy feathers that keep the bird warm. Flight feathers are long and help bird to fly. Flight feathers are present on tail and wings. How birds fly? Birds fly with the help of their wings. Wings are attached to a bird's body with the help of strong muscles. These muscles move the wings. The shape of their bodies is like a bird, which also helps them to fly in air. Birds flap their wings to fly. They move their wings in two ways, upstroke and downstroke. In upstroke movement, wings move upward and backward. In downstroke movement, wings move downward and forward. The tail of a bird helps it to change direction during flight. Birds like ostrich, emu, and penguin cannot fly. Beaks. Birds do not have teeth. They use their beaks to catch and eat food. Different birds have different kinds of beaks depending on the food they eat. Birds like sparrow, pigeon, and peacock have short, hard, and strong beaks. To crush seeds and grains they eat. Birds like eagle, vulture, and hawk have strong, sharp, and hooked beaks to tear the flesh of their prey. Hummingbird and sunbird have long and pointed beaks to drink nectar from flower. Water birds like duck and goose have broad and flat beaks with tiny holes on either side. The holes allow muddy water to flow out, leaving the insects and plants inside the beak. Parrot has short and curved beak to crack nuts and seeds. Woodpecker has strong, pointed, and chisel-like beak to make holes in tree trunk and pull out insects. Hoopoe has long, slender, and pointed beak to pull out insects from flowers and holes in the ground. Thank you, students.